Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I have ordered custom designed packs from IKEA and I'm gonna fit it in the wall. So I'm gonna show you step by step how to do this. So the very first thing we are gonna do, like I'll go box by box. So for the first box, I will I'll unlock the items and bring those out, and then I'm gonna show you. Okay. So I opened the pack. So two two sides, big sides, some glass shelves, some wooden shelves, and this is gonna carry all the nut, bolt, screw, everything. And this is the instruction book. So we are gonna proceed from here. Okay, make sure you open it very carefully because these are very you can see some parts are delicate like glass. This, so if you step on it or do something, it's gonna break completely. Make sure you don't do that. Although they have accidentally packed using factory materials, like they have provided proper compression, but be very careful. So I'm gonna open this and we are gonna follow the instructions. So tools I have all, no doubt. This book is very important. These are the items that they have provided inside this. Okay, so step number 1, we need to attach these wooden ones into these 1 2 3 4 8 of these. So first of all, I need to find out where these two planks. Okay, I'm gonna get those, but there's a catch. I have like 1 2 3 4 5, like multiple pieces like that, right? So which one is correct piece? That's very important to select, right? So that they have given the indication. See this, you see this mark, this is the one. So for example, if I take this piece, you see it has got the exact mark. But if I pick another one, this one, this doesn't have. So I need to pick 2 of these. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. This is very important, guys. Another important point of identification, see on top there are 2 holes. Okay, and others have 4. So do not get confused with that. Okay, it's pretty easy too, but don't. Now I opened the screw box. So they have given Allen wrench, some big ones. Wow, it's in paper bag. First time I'm seeing something from IKEA in a paper bag. I'm gonna open it. These are very small and easy to lose items, so make sure do not lose. So that's why put them in the same box. Don't break this box, okay? Because you are gonna hold these things together, right? So that's why. I need 8 of these. So I have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now as per the instructions, put at all 4 corners of these. Okay, we are on the next step now. So I need to put 2 of these, okay, here on the right one. Okay, and I have to use a hammer to push that in. Okay, I'm gonna do that, no worries. So I did one already using hammer, other I'm gonna do. Make sure you make it uniform all around. Okay, so after you punch in, just take a look from all the sides and make sure it's uniformly gone inside. So I'm done with the step 2. Okay, now I need to get 2 screws and I have to get them ready. Okay, let me take those out. Now you need to put this cover here. So it's pretty simple, and as per the instruction you have to push with hammer, but it's not required because even if you slightly force, you can hear the click. Make sure you hear the click, okay, and then rotate it. That's very important. And as per the next set of instructions, I have to put these here and then rotate it. So I'm gonna do this. The next set of instruction is pretty easy. In this small piece, insert 4 wooden. So I'm gonna do that. It's pretty simple now. Okay, so this step is also done. Let's go for the next step. Okay, yeah, next is about instructions about measurements and all. So those things are pretty clear for me. Now it's time to go to step 5. So I need 2 pillars that I have. Both I have here. I need to bring them in this position. Okay, so I'm gonna start. I'm gonna do that. Both are here, so I'm gonna arrange something. Okay guys, so I have positioned it in the same way. I tell you things to verify. See this cut part is this side and this cut part is this side. So I maintained. Another key is the position of these 2 small holes. If you put at the bottom. So see this, same here. So this is very important, don't do a mistake here. Now the next is this small wooden piece to 2 are going here, okay, here. So I'm gonna attach, it's not difficult, just make sure you put it in the right place. So step number 5 is also done. So we are in step number 6. So this one I'm gonna move up, see, and then this one I'm gonna slide on it, and then I'm gonna attach 2 screws there, okay, using Allen wrench. Okay, so I'm gonna get first these 2 screws. See, the code is given, so make sure you take that and you can match it with the front page where all the items are given. So this is like 2 to 9. So for 2 to 9 we have how many? Let me see. These are very useful, 12 of those. So you can easily find, and there's an Allen wrench also. So I'm gonna take that out. And how many I need in this step? I need 2 of those. So I'm gonna take out, okay. So I've brought them here. So now I'm gonna move and I'm gonna begin. So make sure you make proper space. It's very easy to get injuries in this kind of activity. So don't injure yourself. Maintain proper space and safety, and then do such things. Okay. So I put this here, and because of the wooden joints, they are easily joined to each other. Just follow this one. Now on this corner I need to put these screws on these 2 holes. Okay, I'm gonna do that. So this particular step is done. I use the Allen wrench and screws, and I fit both of these. Now, so with this we are done with step 6. Now step 7, the other wooden plank that we had fit, that we had to do the exact same thing on the upper side. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I'm ready to do step 7, but few things. First of all, this one, you see this edge, see, this is on the inner side, so that means it has to go up, like this. Okay, and instead you are seeing that the 2 holes are at the bottom. Okay, 2 holes are at the bottom and this edge is on top. So that means the correct way to do is like this. Okay, so I'm gonna do the fitting here. Okay, all right, and then I'm gonna see you guys. So I joined the wooden piece. Now in these 2 holes I need to join 2 screws, just we did at the other side. So I'm gonna do this. Okay guys, so the next step is about 1, 2 and 3. So 3 this one we have to, one rectangular, or you can say 1 plank I need to bring. Okay, so I have put a wooden plank here, and see on the other side here I need to put 2 screws, 1 and 2, in the exact same way. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna see you guys again. So with this I'm done with step 8. Now I'm going to step 9, where I have to use this, let me pull it out, where I have to put this thin sheet in all these. Okay, here, here, here. So stand up, do it very carefully, no hurry, not in any rush. The fitting should be proper, because you have to do all the way here. Okay, so guys, while it was down, it was very difficult for me to fit it alone. Definitely if you have the second person it can be done, but after I moved it straight I was able to. But still I'm gonna move it down, because the next step is, let me show you. So we are done with step number 9, this one. Step number 10 is pretty simple. Just move it up once it is down and attach 6 screws, okay, using the Allen wrench. So I'm gonna do step number 10 now. So guys, I did it. Okay, still more steps are remaining, but at least structure is ready, and from no angle it looks unprofessional, right? Hopefully guys, hopefully my boss also says the same. Fine, right? Now I'm gonna go to the second part of installing shelves and other things. Guys, with the structure ready, now I'm gonna install these 2 wooden shelves. Okay, and it's pretty simple. I need like 8 of these that I'm gonna fit one by one. Okay, I may need a screwdriver, or let me see if they have given some tool to do this without this or not. Looks like I need to use my own screwdriver. Oh, no worries, I have a lot of them. Okay, I'm gonna show you. So I put all of these here so that there is no chance of losing it. So we'll go one by one. So I took one. Okay, it has to go like this. Okay, so you can select the level. Like 2 I need to install, so I'm going to install one here and one here. Okay, so that I have ample space. So I'm going to select the middle one. Just press it. Okay, press it hard in a way that it goes inside. Okay, now it's pressed. Now you take a screwdriver or just move this screw so that it's firm at its place. Some of you may say that screw is not required, but I would highly recommend for strength. And this should be up. Now same level here, like if you use the middle one, use middle hole here, back also. And we install 4 and then we'll go for the shelf. So guys, I have installed 4. Okay. Now it's time to put the shelf on. It's pretty simple. Just put this on those holes. Okay. And do it carefully. Okay, see, does it look good? I think so. Now I am gonna do for the next one also. So with this we'll be done with the installing wooden shelf. We'll go to the next step then. Bingo. Now wooden shelves are remaining, glass shelves are remaining. I'm gonna do that. Before we install the glass, we need to level these out. So just lose it. Okay, you'll feel it when to stop. Okay, and then use these caps. You can even put a hammer one shot, but not too hard to press them. Okay, I'm gonna do it. So with this we are ready for glass installation, and there are 2 holes up also. That also we can cover with these. So I have understood the mechanism of installing the glass. So see, this is glass, so it has got 4 corners. So at 4 corners, what we are going to do, we are first going to loosen this screw part so that this black side that you see comes down, and then there's a hole here. So this is going to attach to the wall, and this screw is gonna pass through this hole and attach to the wood, and it's gonna stand stationary. Make sure it's level on all 4 sides, and once it is there, in this gap that you see right now, let me take some gap. So now I have moved the screw down. Now imagine it attached to the wood and then glass passes through this. Find it too hard to believe? Okay, no worries. I am gonna show you step now. So step 1, just use your screwdriver and loosen this up. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start with here. So I'm gonna install 1, 2 and 3. So let me prepare this one. So I'm gonna take 1, okay, and I'm gonna, you see this, I'm gonna loosen this screw out, almost out. You don't have to take it out fully, but almost. I did slightly more so everything came out, but anyway, you see there's a hole here. So now I'm gonna put it at its place. Now take a look carefully. You see there's a hole. Yeah, you see there's a hole. Yeah, now there I'm gonna pass one of these screws. Okay, see, it's now fit at its place. Okay, so same thing I have to do on all 4, and then I'm gonna put this from the back. But yeah, I mean, we need to put a glass, and then, okay, we can do one thing, you know, to make it simpler. Let's take it out from all 4, attach all 4, then put the glass, and then push it through. So, okay, so let's do the exact same thing in all 4. Okay guys, all 4 are attached. Now time to push this glass. Be very careful guys, this is glass and highly fragile. Okay, be very careful. Okay, what do you think, it's gonna stay at this place? No, you have to lock it from here, and that's why you need this that we had taken out earlier. Now you need to tighten it, okay, at all 4 corners, of course, with the screwdriver, so that it stays at its place. Okay, so let me do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. Bingo, first is done. Now I'm gonna do 2 more, and with this PAX is done. Wow, and we did it, and I'm gonna use it now. So thanks guys, and please subscribe to the channel. I did it all for you. Thank you.